So this is what we're gonna be doing. This little rainbow, it's freestanding, $5 at Target, so anybody can get one. We're gonna be turning it into red, white, and blue. We're gonna be using our Rhinestone Applicator kit. Hi, Robbie. So we are gonna give it a quick coat of chalk paint, and then we're gonna go in with our, I'm thinking that I'm gonna do the background blue, and then we'll do like red, white, red stripes. All right, so now we got to get in with some little detail brushes. This is the blue. Is this the one I like so much? Blue. It is the Deep Midnight Blue. It's by Deco Art. Now I only need this just to get in between here. We're gonna touch up a little bit. Touch up just a little bit. Laurel, this is the Waverly and it's crimson. Okay, so there it is. There she is. I would seal it, but I'm gonna wait and just carefully seal it because I want to use some of our rhinestones. And then I was thinking, I might do the US. Oh my gosh, that's really cute. So our Rhinestone Applicator kit, we are going to, I'm gonna do the big ones in the white, the SS16s. Now I'm just gonna start putting a line of our B7000 right in the middle. Okay, and I'm just gonna start putting I'm just looking. No, I don't like that. I like the USA. We're gonna hold that. I almost think it needs stones going on. I think I'm gonna leave it off the red, and I think I'm gonna do more on the blue, on the outside and on the inside. Look, but I need to paint it. I needed to give it another coat of paint before we do that. But see, I love the USA right there. But the Let Freedom Bling, we just added that USA. I'm gonna go back in, do another coat, and then add more of the clear rhinestones to the blue areas. I think it's gonna really set it off. So maybe you all have an amazing and blessed day, and I'll see you very soon. Bye-bye.
Totally Dazzled sells sparkling rhinestone wedding supplies. Check us out at totallydazzled.com. But before you do, click up here and download our free Printable Sparkle Quotes. Or click down here and watch one of our other awesome tutorials.